Growing lettuce indoors is a simple, rewarding way to enjoy fresh, healthy greens year-round, even if you don't have outdoor space. At our channel MTech, we're here to guide you step by step on creating your indoor lettuce garden. Start by selecting a lettuce variety suited for indoor growing, such as loose leaf types like butterhead, romaine, or baby lettuce. These varieties grow quickly and don't require much space. Next, choose suitable containers or pots with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Shallow containers about 4 to 6 inches deep work well, as lettuce has shallow roots. Fill them with a light, well-draining potting mix enriched with compost to provide essential nutrients for healthy growth. Lettuce thrives in cool environments, so keep the indoor temperature between 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 21 degrees Celsius, and ensure the plants get at least 10 to 12 hours of light daily. If natural light from a sunny window is insufficient, use LED grow lights to provide the required light spectrum. Position the grow lights about 12 inches above the plants and adjust them as the lettuce grows. Once your setup is ready, plant the seeds by sprinkling them evenly over the soil surface or placing them about 1/4 inch deep, then cover lightly with soil. Water gently to moisten the soil, but avoid overwatering, as lettuce doesn't tolerate soggy conditions. Place the containers in a well-lit area or under grow lights and maintain consistent moisture by watering whenever the topsoil feels dry to the touch. Within 7 to 10 days, you should see the seeds germinating and small lettuce sprouts emerging. Thin out the seedlings if they are overcrowded, leaving about 2 to 3 inches of space between plants to allow proper airflow and growth. As the lettuce grows, feed it with a diluted, balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks to ensure lush and healthy leaves. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can lead to bitter-tasting lettuce. Additionally, rotate the containers occasionally to ensure all plants receive even light, which helps prevent them from leaning or becoming leggy. Indoor lettuce is generally free from pests, but if you encounter issues like aphids, treat them with a gentle spray of neem oil or soapy water. Regularly remove any yellowing or damaged leaves to promote healthy growth and reduce the risk of disease. Lettuce grows quickly and can be harvested within 30 to 40 days for baby greens or 60 to 70 days for mature heads, depending on the variety. Use the cut and come again method to harvest by snipping the outer leaves first, allowing the plant to continue growing for multiple harvests. Alternatively, you can harvest the entire head by cutting it just above the soil line when it's fully mature. Indoor-grown lettuce is incredibly fresh, flavorful, and pesticide-free, making it a fantastic addition to your meals. With proper care and attention, growing lettuce indoors can be a satisfying and productive gardening project. It's perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides on indoor gardening, and transform your home into a thriving green space today.